Let us now add some more elements to this HTML so that we actually get to see some content on our web page. Let's start with what is known as the major heading. Remember, as we learned in the earlier example, the body element is what actually contains everything that is visible on your page. All right. So let's start with what is known as the major heading and insert it inside the body element. So we specify the start tag, we put in some text, which is the content that is actually going to be visible on your page, and we end this element by specifying the appropriate end tag. So let's save this, hit preview, and there you go. See how the content entered in the major heading element is displayed in big bold letters. Well, why does that happen? Well, that is because, as we had mentioned earlier, every browser understands that this is a major heading tag since it is defined by the start and end tags named h1, and therefore knows that this particular content has to be highlighted on the page, right? So this is one of the cool features of HTML, where depending on the tag you define, the content contained in that element or the content contained between the start and end tags of that element are displayed in a particular way by browsers. Now that we've added the major heading element, let us add what is known as a paragraph element. Okay, let me add some content into this paragraph. Let's call it paragraph 1, and just so that we have enough content to deal with, let me just repeat it by pasting it a number of times. That should be enough. So let's save this and hit preview. Well, so what do you see? You have the major heading and then you have the content specified in the paragraph element below it. Let us now add another paragraph element and add the same content in the second paragraph element. So there you go. Let's save the file and hit preview. So do you see something interesting? So just like the major heading element, which was specified inside the h1 and the h1 start and end tags, the paragraph element is also displayed in a particular manner. Do you see what that is? Well, paragraph, as the name suggests, is displayed just like you would see a paragraph in a book or a Word document. So look at the paragraphs that are one after the other. You see some space between the two paragraphs. Isn't that similar to what you would see in a book, right? So once again, the browser knows exactly what to do with the paragraph element and how to display it.